Prudent News. Now look at the headlines. Chief Minister launches Aadhaar-based LPG subsidy transfer scheme. Only 3 months left for completing Aadhaar-related formalities. Scheme begins for North Goa consumer. 2.60 lakh consumers to avail subsidy. GCA President Baru Phadke changes his stance, says BCCI Chief Srinivasan may resign. GCA will stand with majority opinion. BCCI prepones its 8 June AGM to 2nd June. Chief Minister orders magisterial inquiry in Aguada jail food poisoning case. 2 inmates in Aguada jail still critical. One Ashish Kulaso suffocates at Aguada jail due to short circuit on Saturday. Goans for Daboli only criticizes CM's offer of shifting Navy base to Mopa. It will not develop Mopa and Mopkars, says the organization. Vijay Sardesai says government will not solve the Mopa Daboli crisis till Lok Sabha polls are over. And first showers of rain uproot many trees, water clogging in Panji, damage to properties at many places. Now the news in detail. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar launched Aadhaar-based direct benefit transfer of LPG subsidy scheme. LPG consumers will get cylinders at subsidized rate. Consumers have just 3 months left to complete all the formalities for direct benefit of LPG subsidy scheme. Those consumers who have not completed the formalities will have to buy LPG cylinders at market price without any subsidy. The scheme will benefit more than 2.60 lakh consumers in North Goa.
Aadhaar-based direct benefit transfer of LPG subsidy scheme was launched on Saturday in Panji. CM Parrikar said the scheme will benefit the consumers, dealers and nation altogether. He also said the scheme will help in curtailing black marketing of LPG cylinders.
While supporting poor, there is no, in fact, I would say go one step ahead, there should be income limit, but that will be a more complex situation how to work it out. So it's a better, at least you have restricted it to 9, so that real beneficiary get the advantage of it, because now it will be hassle-free delivery. Across India, oil companies should save, according to my guesstimate, and consumers will get supply properly, because now there is no untapped demand which would go for a commercial, so consumers will benefit, the dealers will benefit.
Meanwhile, CM opined that since the average consumption of LPG cylinders is 7.5 cylinders per year, the state will not require additional subsidy of LPG. The state government will definitely extend subsidy if required.
आणखी काही गरज नाही कारण गोव्याची एव्हरेज 7.8 आहे. बरोबर आहे ना? 7.5.
It has come down by 10%.
Now it is coming down because there was misuse. Normally a gas cylinder in most of the houses, except where the family is big, nowadays family is small, it goes for 1.5 months. त्यामुळे according to me there is no requirement. If it was 6 there was. We'll monitor. If we find more, then we'll work out.
Reporter Mahesh Kari with video journalist Dinesh Karpe.
Finally, GCA President Baru Phadke has decided to stay with the majority and support BCCI Chief Srinivasan's ouster. Phadke a few days back had asserted that resignation of Srinivasan was not needed as he is not proved guilty in the IPL spot fixing case. Now he is speaking in a different tone. The much-awaited AGM is preponed from 8 June to 2nd June, which will decide Srinivasan's fate as BCCI chief.
On 30th May, this was GCA President Baru Phadke's stand on BCCI chief Srinivasan's resignation.
एखाद वेळ कोण तुजो सोयरो कितें रॉंग हें करता हेचो अर्थ तेणें तेजी ब्लेम तुजेर घेवंक जाय अशें ना न्हू. तो जर रॉंग करता जाल्यार तेका कितें ती पनिशमेंट जातली. आतां फक्त कितें आहा तितून श्रीनिवासनाचो कितें हात आसा का ना हें आतां ती कमिटी अपॉयंट केल्या पळय ती फायंड आउट करतली.
Within 2 days, Baru Phadke changed his stance.
Most probably, according to me, everybody will pressurize Srinivasan to resign from his post because already secretary has resigned and treasurer has also resigned. And there might be many more people who may resign here before the meeting. And I feel by all this pressure, Srinivasan also may resign. I feel that this will be decided in this meeting and definitely will support whatever majority says. Definitely we have to support them. If the majority says that Srinivasan has to resign, we will also be with the majority.
Many bigwigs from BCCI are resigning one after another. The overall situation is gradually going against BCCI head Srinivasan now. Maybe this has influenced Baru Phadke's stand in last 48 hours. Our reporter Mahesh Ghadi with video journalist Dinesh Karpe.
Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar has assured a magisterial probe into the Aguada jail food poisoning case. North Goa collector has already issued the order. 2 prisoners out of 14 admitted at the GMC are still critical. Meanwhile, in another incident at Aguada jail, one Ashish Kulaso got suffocated due to the smoke evoked out of a short circuit. He was admitted but later discharged after necessary treatment.
There is something wrong with the Aguada jail. On Friday, an inmate Mahadev Gaonkar who was serving life term died due to food poisoning. Ganpat Mehta, another inmate, is under treatment at GMC in a critical condition. Now, on Saturday, a man got suffocated due to short circuit. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar, while speaking to media, said that Aguada jail food poisoning case will be probed through magisterial inquiry. North Goa collector has already issued the order. Out of 14 inmates admitted at the GMC, 2 are still critical. 7 inmates were discharged on Saturday.
Knowing about the matter, are you instituting an inquiry?
Already collector, according to my information, has already ordered district magistrates, what do you call it as? SDM's inquiry.
Meanwhile, one Ashish Kulaso from Aguada jail was admitted to the GMC. He suffocated due to the smoke out of the short circuit on Saturday. He was later discharged after giving necessary treatment. Mahesh Ghadi for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.